So, Apple iPhone 15 and 15 Plus are one of the best phones to buy even after the launch of the iPhone 16 models. And you might be thinking, is the iPhone 15 or 15 Plus waterproof? Well, in short answer, no, they aren't. It's only IP68, which is one of the highest rating available for smartphones. But you might be asking what that does mean. So this IP rating is something that tells you how much your device can resist water and dust from getting inside and damaging the components. So the first number actually means that the device, in this case iPhone 15, is completely dust-proof. No dust particles can enter the device and damage its components. The second number is usually for the device's enclosure protection against the ingress of fresh water. So in the case of the iPhone 15, it's IP68. The 8 normally means it's 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes, but in the case of iPhones, up to a depth of 6 meters for 30 minutes. But keep this in mind, these tests are done inside the laboratory, so real-life scenarios can vary a lot. But you can definitely take it to the pool, but I won't suggest you to swim with it or go diving with it. But you can definitely do it, but it might or might not damage the components inside, and that will not be covered under warranty. Plus, you can definitely take it to the rain, it's fine. Under shower, it's fine. But under water jets or under high temperature waters like saunas and stuff like that, yes, they can be harmful to the device. The same way chemical water, hot beverages are also harmful to the device's IP68 protection. Even salt water from the sea. Now you might be thinking, what is the waterproofing then means? Waterproof means the device or the subject is completely impervious to water. There's no way water can get inside it or damage any of the things inside, and that too for indefinite amount of time. Also, this splash, water or dust resistance are not permanent conditions. The resistance might even decrease as a result of normal wear and tear. So this whole protection rating is only good for a newer iPhone and almost new iPhone or refurbished iPhone from Apple. Other than that, there is always a chance of the phone getting water damaged. It might not, or it might. And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website. A link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care. iPhone 15.